Hi guys, hello everybody. Have a prettiest morning, have a great time to all of you and welcome to our YouTube channel that is Edumotion Tutorials, the power of education. This is a pure educational YouTube channel and we will provide you the best of the best quality and high-tech education. So please guys, subscribe our channel, like it, share it as much as you can and please comment it because your small step of a response, it will an empowerment of us and it will encourage us to provide you the best educational services. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Telegram as well as Twitter with the same brand name in India, that is Edumotion Tutorials, the power of education. So keep watching and don't forget to press the bell icon. It will provide you the new notifications and we will be glad to provide you the educational services.
Yes, hello student, welcome to Edumotion class. ट्रिग्नोमेट्री के एप्लीकेशन यहाँ पे स्टार्ट हो चुके हैं. मैंने एप्लीकेशन 2 पीरियड में पढ़ाया. आज आपका थर्ड पीरियड है. Then go to next application. A circus artist is climbing a 20-meter long rope which is tightly stretched and tied from the top of the vertical pole to the ground. Find the height of the pole if the angle made by the rope with the ground level is 30 degrees. Means that a circus artist is climbing at a 20-meter long rope. Means that the rope is your 20 meter. Rope आपका कितना है 20 meter from the top of vertical pole. This is your pole. Suppose you consider this is your AB is your pole. If you mention the height of the pole, AB means what? Pole. AB means what? Pole. And which is tightly stretched and tied from the top of the vertical pole. This is tied to this ground at the top of the pole. At the top of the pole. कहाँ पे टाइप किया है? The top of the pole to the ground. Find the height of the pole if the angle made by the rope with the ground level is 30 degree. And this and that angle is your angle of elevation. क्यों है angle of elevation? जब आप upward देख रहे थे, that is your angle of elevation. And if it downward, then angle of depression. आपने देखा था. Okay? Means if you consider that AB be the height of the pole and AC that is the length of the pole, and we have to find the next is that find the height of the pole if the made by the rope. If you have to find the height of the pole, this AC is the length of that stretched wire and AB is the height of the pole and this is your ground level. In such a way that this angle BAC that is equals to 30 degree. This angle BCA that is equals to 30 degree. Okay, this angle BCA equals to 30 degree. That is your angle of elevation. Angle of elevation. Angle of elevation. ये आपका कौन सा एंगल है? Angle of elevation. And in this triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. ABC is a right angle triangle. This triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. And if you observe that, अभी आपका this is your 90 degree. आपका 90 degree है. Then 90 के opposite क्या रहता है? Hypotenuse. First lecture से मैं बता रहा हूँ. Opposite to that of this 90 degree, that is your hypotenuse. And this is your angle theta. और theta के ये front side है आपका. Okay? Means that is your also called as opposite side. तो कौन सा रेशियो आएगा? sin theta equals to opposite side. Sin theta equals to opposite side divided by hypotenuse. Which is your opposite side? AB is your opposite side and hypotenuse is your AC. But what is the value of theta? Theta equals to 30 degree. Then sin 30 degree equals to what is the value of AB? AB, if you have to find this value AB, and what is the value of AC? That is equals to 20. Then sin 30 का value आता है 1/2. That is equals to AB divided by 20. Then take cross multiplication 20/2. that is equals to AB. Then what is the value of this AB? AB equals to 10. Means AB means that height of the pole that is equals to 10 meter. If you write this height of the pole that is equals to 10 meter centimeter जो भी कुछ है इसमें. Problem is that contractor plans to install 2 slides for the children to play in a park. For a children below the age of 5 years, she prepares to have a slide whose top is at height of 1.5 meter and inclined at an angle of 30 degree to the ground. Whereas for a children, she wants to have a slip slide at a height of 3 meter and inclined at an angle of 60 degree to the ground. What should be the length of the slide in each case? In this problem, there are 2 cases, case number 1 and case number 2. यहाँ पे कितने केस है? 2 केस है. First is that a contractor plans to install a slide children to park for a children below the age of 5 years. Below the age of 5 years, she prepares to have a slide whose top is at a height of 1.5 meter. 1.5 meter means that this 1.5 is the height of the slide. This is your height of the slide. Means if you consider this is your height of the slide and this is your ground level and this is your slide. Okay? Then we can find the length of the slide. This is your height of the slide 1.5. This is your height of the slide and this is your ground level and this is your length of the side. Next is that and is inclined at an angle of 30 degree to the ground and inclined an angle of 30 degree to the ground. That angle is your angle of elevation. यहाँ पे angle of elevation आपको mention किया है. Means first we consider that this BC is the height of the slide and this AC is the length of the side and this is your ground level. Then there are 2 cases. First case is that case number 1 for a children below the 5 years. इसके लिए पहला आंसर क्या आता है देखो. Means if you consider AC is the length of that slide and this is your height and next is that BC 1.5 with the height of the slide. BC 1.5 with the height of the slide. This is the angle CAB, that is your 30 degree. This is your angle of elevation. आपका क्या है? Angle of elevation. Okay. Then this is your 90 degree. This is your front side. And this is your hypotenuse. Then कौन सा रेशियो आएगा? Then this triangle CBA is a right angle triangle. ये CAB आपका कौन सा triangle है? Then right angle triangle. Then we get sin theta equals to opposite side divided by hypotenuse. Which is your opposite side? Opposite side आपका कौन सा है? The angle कौन सा है? Sin 30 degree. That is equals to, if you get this is your sin 30 degree, then front side CB and hypotenuse AC. Okay? Then sin 30 का वैल्यू 1/2, CB का वैल्यू आपके पास है 1.5, then AC, then take cross multiplication. AC equals to 1.5 into 2, then AC equals to 3 मीटर सेंटीमीटर जो भी कुछ है. ओके, दैट इज योर फर्स्ट केस. ये आपका फर्स्ट केस है. सिमिलरली यहाँ पे सेकंड केस भी आपके पास, वो भी सॉल्व करना पड़ेगा. केस नंबर 2. केस नंबर 2 के लिए जैसा मैंने केस नंबर 1 किसके ऊपर डिपेंड किया था? दैट द एज ऑफ 5 years, below the age of 5 years. Then same thing is here. Whereas for elder children she wants to have a slip side at a height of 3 meter inclined at angle of 60 degree means जो जिसका ये 5 के बाद में आएगा उसके लिए क्या प्लान दिया है सेम थिंग इज हियर दैट इज योर height. If you consider this is your BC is your height, then BC is your height and this AC is your length of this side. Case number 2. यहाँ पे केस नंबर 2 स्टार्ट होगा. उसके लिए आपके पास गिवन इंफॉर्मेशन क्या है? A slip slide at a height of 3 meter. Instead of this 1.5, that is your 3 meter. And angle of elevation that is given 60 degree. Same thing is here. And we have to find this length of this side. अब ये same consideration है. यहाँ पे मैं बताता हूँ. If you consider यहाँ पे जैसे मैंने केस नंबर 1 में मेंशन किया है for the children below 5 years. वहाँ पे क्या करना पड़ेगा for the children above 5 years. Next is that AC L1 be the length of the side. यहाँ पे क्या लिखना पड़ेगा? Length of the slide. Same thing is here. No change. Then BC height of the slide. And this angle CAB that is equals to 60 degree, that is your angle of elevation. Angle of elevation. And same thing is here. Triangle CBA that is your right angle triangle. Then it is right angle triangle. Then that is your hypotenuse. हाइपो के सामने का 90 डिग्री 90 के सामने का आपका क्या रहता है हाइपोटेनियस. देन वी राइट दिस इज योर फ्रंट साइड sin 60 degree that is equals to opposite side divided by hypotenuse. Sin 60 का वैल्यू √3/2. Which is your opposite side? Opposite side 60 के सामने का opposite side BC divided by hypotenuse L2. Hypotenuse L2. Then if you get what is the value of this BC? 3 divided by L2. Then take cross multiplication. L2 equals to this 3 into 2 divided by we write √3. Divided by we write √3. Then L2 equals to 3 को आप √3 into √3 into 2 लिख सकते हैं divided by √3. √3 get answer. L2 equals to 2 √3. L2 means what? That length of the slide. Okay, length of the slide in first case and length of the slide in second case. 2 मिनट में आपको एक बार बताता हूँ. A contractor plans to install 2 slides. Means this contractor forms 2 slides. This is your first slide and this is your second slide. And which can be mentioned below the age of 5 years. First case is below the age of 5 years. Second case is the above the age of 5 years. Okay. Next condition is that height of the slide is given 1.5 and if we have to find length of the slide and angle of elevation is given 30 degree. Same case is here. Height of the slide is given and next angle of elevation is given and if you have to find length of that slide. First near one and second. Okay. Is that next problem is that the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from a point on the ground which is 30 meter away from the foot, the lower is 30 degree. Find the height of the tower. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower from a point on the ground. This is your point. And if you observe, this is your point, A is your point, this is your ground level. And if we observe to this height of the tower, then this angle of elevation is your 30 degree. Then the angle of elevation is your 30 degree. Next, if you consider that the BC, this BC is the height of the tower. This BC is the height of the tower and A is the position of the observer and A is the position of the observer and this is your ground level and AB means what? distance between the ground level, distance between this person and this tower, means distance between these 2 points is that ground level, this AB equals to 30 meter, and if you have to find the height of the tower, simple problem है. सी अभी देखिए यहाँ पे आपका 90 हो रहा है, then that is your hypotenuse, this is your hypotenuse, this is your angle theta, okay, that is your front side, this is your front side, this is your front side, and BA is given and BA is at adjacent side, then front side and adjacent side किस में आता है, तो tan में आता है. This angle CAB that is equals to 30 degree, that is your angle of elevation, that is your angle of elevation, okay, and this triangle CBA is a right angle triangle, okay. Then अभी देखिए sin 30, sin theta equals to opposite side divided by, sorry, this is your opposite side and this is your adjacent side, then if you take tan theta divided by adjacent side, tan 30 equals to opposite side is that BC divided by adjacent side कौन सा है आपका AB, then tan 30 का वैल्यू 1 upon root 3, then what is the value of BC यहाँ पे फाइंड करने का है, and what is the value of AB का वैल्यू 30, then if you take cross multiplication 30 divided by root 3 that is equals to BC, denominator में root 3 है, if you get 30 into root 3 or root 3 into root 3 equals to BC, root 3 से multiply किया, root 3 से divide किया, then this is your 30 root 3 3 that is equals to BC, then we get 10 root 3 equals to BC equals to 10 root 3. BC क्या assumption क्या है, this height of the tower is 10 root 3 meters